So let's head outside quick and take a look at this guy and see how well it does out here in the dark. Obviously you can't see nothing right now, just wait. There we go. Yeah, look at that. That's shining a whole new light on things, wouldn't you say? This is an awesome light. This thing brightens up the entire backyard. You can see whatever you need to. Alright, let's do a quick little experiment. I'm going to stand this thing up on its tail end, turn the light on, and see how well it lights the room up. So, it's on its tail end. It's pretty good. Let me show you with the lights out what it looks like. Yep, nothing. Dark. Its tail end. You can see everything you need to see. Laser focused, wherever you want to look. And this thing will go right over to the neighbor's house, no problem. It'll go 5 houses down.